Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to install Weeks Modern Warfare for 1.7.10. So let's begin. So first of all, you want to find Weeks Modern Warfare, which I'm going to link in the description, and you want to go to Files. Now there is available 1.12.2, but for this tutorial we're going to be doing 1.7.10. So as you can see, we don't want the Halloween version, we want to go a bit more down, we want to find this one, the release one. So we just want to download it. While that's done, we want to go to Minecraft Forge. I'm going to link this as well. It's for 1.7.10. You want to get the recommended one Windows installer. This mod is actually quite big, 82 megabyte, so it's going to take some time to actually install itself. So now we have the Forge. So now we can close this and we can leave this. So we want to just do this here. We want to press keep on that. Put that here and then put Forge here. So with Forge you want to open it up and press yes. And you want to press install client and just leave it like that. So this is installed now. Now you don't have to keep the installer log, you can just delete that, but let's just leave it for now. So Minecraft launcher. Now we'll have to do this and find the one that says 1.7.10. I should say 1.5.8. So we want to start that. You can close this as well. So now it's just gonna create the mods folder. By the way, when you start this, you should also have 3 mods. Should be your coder, pack, forge modder, and Minecraft Forge. You shouldn't have any other mods. So you wanna make sure it's working, then quit. And now go to here, %updata, %enter.minecraft. Now, if there is no mods folder, you just create one. You just do this, new, create folder, name it mods. You go here, should be here, and you want to pop this in. Modern Warfare, thingy. You want to close this. Now you want to go to Minecraft launcher, and just start it. So you can see it's here, it's loading. As you can see, it seems to be loaded now. You just want to create new world. Creative, I put it because I do want to test it out. So let's see if it works. Okay, we'll load it in. You have your guns. Let's test the Glock. 9. Let's just do 9mm. So you should have, oh, this is 20 round. So you can reload, can do this. It's automatic. You can see the bullet count on top here. So you have all of that. You also have your grenades and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, if you did enjoy the video, please leave a like, and that's gonna be it.